Oh yeah, oh my people, Hanlele, we bring on an update sharply on as it take the happen. Oh, they say that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't finally break silence. On Thursday, and I go remember saying that Thursdays be the visiting days where they meet for inside DSS custody where in day. According to him, he said that the Supreme Court has opened a new window for his release. I probably Nnamdi Kanu assures supporters so now waiting they call me for phone, they tell me, say, very soon he go still come out no matter how they take duam, no matter how bad take fly. Say they must still they see the under as it they happen no blessing our lawyer. Ejima call special counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now carry this matter can drop for our table. According to his tweet here, I make a quick give on this one. He say update. I met with #MNK today in tow with barrister Nnemeka. Onyendu expressed his profound disappointment with the Supreme Court judgment, but he believes that aspects of the judgment have opened a new legal window to pursue his release. He asked all and sundry to remain confident. This tweet was posted on the 21st day of December 2023 by Barrister Aloy Ejimako, Special Counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, who was kidnapped in Kenya and extraordinarily renditioned to Nigeria, where all these problems started over 2 years ago. And so it take be. Quickly, before we delve into the details there, we run go meet Emefiele, say how far waiting they happen for your side. They don't tell when we don't they hear for your matter. They say, no be small matter. Say Buhari's billionaire ex-aide and nephew Tunde Sabiu told Emefiele to redesign Naira note. CBN board not involved. Special investigator. Now waiting happen be that too. I told you people, it's not just about Buhari's ex-aide and their nephew. These people are na Buhari. Make I tell on. I don't tell on a time without numbers. I tell on I say, now Buhari tell Emefiele waiting in do. Now waiting they tell a man do, now do. But in everything where they happen inside Nigeria, they will always like to exclude the president. They will always like to minus him. Meanwhile, now under his watch, now all this evil they happen. So which means that it is the president that is responsible for all these illegalities and criminalities going on in the country. So Buhari ordered for the redesign of the Naira note, and which Emefiele carried out. Maybe for looting purposes. Of course, you know that. But quickly, let us look at what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have said before we delve into that. The detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has described the Supreme Court ruling that blocked his bail as a new window for his freedom. Kanu stated this during his routine meeting with his legal team, led by his special counsel, Barrister Aloy Ejimako and Barrister Nnemeka at the Abuja facility of the Department of State Services, DSS. Ejimako, giving a report about Kanu's remark, wrote via his X platform update, I met with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today in tow with Barrister Nnemeka. Onyendu expressed his profound disappointment with the Supreme Court judgment, but he believes that the aspects of the judgment that have opened a new legal window to pursue his release. He asked all and sundry to remain confident. Now waiting and talk. Sahara reporters had also reported that Nnamdi Kanu earlier accepted the Apex Court ruling, which blocked his release. Sahara reporters on Friday reported that the Apex Court, in a judgment delivered by Justice Emmanuel Ajim, but written by Justice Garuba Lawal, nullified the judgment of the Court of Appeal that ordered Kanu's release and asked the trial court to continue with the case. The Supreme Court, however, held that the Nigerian government recklessly and unlawfully renditioned Kanu from Kenya to Nigeria. It, however, held that such an unlawful act would not strip any court of its powers to proceed with the trial. But reacting to the Supreme Court judgment when his legal team visited him on Tuesday, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, who gave an update on Kanu's reaction, said that the IPOB leader questioned whether the Apex Court effectively repealed constitutional provisions cited before it on his release. Now waiting happen be that too. So Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, when we don't hear say they don't circle, now I still can't they give updates. So I know they understand. I never still see him say for Barrister Law Ejima, cause saying don't come and come to it, say Onion do have sacked Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor from representing him. So how come maybe sometimes now we will still hear say, oh, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor have visited Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and he's giving update, and we go still come read down. So waiting they happen. Where are these people getting all this information within they drop, they give everybody? They don't sack them today. Tomorrow we go still they hear say the same person where everybody don't come and come tell us say they don't sack. He's still there, they walk. Not be juju be that. Anyways, make una let me know wetin una the reason follow the matter as they be so. So una they see now waiting they happen be that too. I know they understand some things sometimes. Sometimes they go come tell us, say, they don't sack them, everybody don't close, this one, that one. At the end of the day, I go still the hear matter. Anyways, I make I give on this video, make una hear wetin they happen for the eastern side of the country.
So kai bago I for I tuba oba umaka kai neso ai na ba umaka kai neso so gidezi na be lu eba ai whatever so no go si wedu we tanda nwate ma duna tu umaka ani ba drop se ba nuzo duna tu nka umbuzi nka yara ko wangozi eba iba ma bu na anye duna tu umaka ani get the situation buna umunna ya natago ba okay what's on your sobachi I want on your sobachi and I like it. I do not go my car. No, because my cab, no, when what the wrong weather. I'm a wish with go man. Even Melania, coach you are there. I am an even I didn't work it. Happy 11 o'clock company. And none of them, everyone going to get the million bomb on the phone. Then I'm looking up a baby. Now I can't show us a room as Umenabo, with Umazinabo and Yanabo, they know. Namona Blue Motum, Palatabashala. I want to put on the phone, what's in a major? I have even to time. Wapo, Holashala, we meet here, Shamana Shala. Boy, I say, I even a maybe yes. I think I then I'm looking up at about you. No, I can't have a G. Nabia was him no to Wedger. Then I'm one of them to who needs to Wedger. Imagine. No, I won't do well, nobody, all the way to well, nobody, all. German never push you. I will move wherever you Waba, more than Wabasha, we see my over Wabasha, Veleno, Sino, Tulo Baba, buy you, see you, see about the one of Sino. Well, what you know, where to rub and no Mazang. But it was in an Avasha Baba, where you will be a room. Well, room. Where did I get up and do 3 get up on Mazi? I want to Mazi ever know. I don't get you want to Mazi, where do Mazi and you are making a canny. One at other. You know, I go my guys on over there. No, I got new. I think I gone. John the Flan in a bany. I never even go too much. No one had it. Don't walk. I got a guy in over there. Kidnap and I go. I kidnap with Kuno. I want to be. I want to deserve. Then what the money by a mania? Never community see equal. Banyak no room, no cool, no no. Banyak I'm gonna want to know. Okay. Banyak Kapataku, no room with a new super. Yala Yaka. I want to be sure. Anybody can moon. Ojimili. I don't even man. He's a lucky man. And those are guys not lucky. Then why the West Korea on your Ayagua? Oh, you're going to go on Tiana. I have even a minute. I like I put us so good. No. Rapubogan about it. I don't get to believe it. What a below me. I get a problem. Never see Kiji. You don't go enjoy the man. What's on your age now? Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right, Mona, don't use on our ears to take here. I told you people, I said, make una dey support una local village vigilante who na him go first respond to distress call. But people came and say for where e don't take when I don't dey talk this thing, e don't take. But people came and say for where you don't have sense, you don't have. I said now you know yourself better than even an outsider. But for people they say so. I believe say some people we still there abroad where they see wetin dey happen. They still dey other places. They donate money. If you like, don't support your local vigilante. Even some people say don't criticize. Say, oh, should be one army day somewhere, 100,000 pieces of army day somewhere. With them. If you not, anyways, I know go talk too for. More now leave them. May they come carry on a village, go on their papa house. So I go know, I go get sense. Now your local vigilante first. Now him go first respond before army go come. They come from somewhere, come they rescue your village. If you like, here. If you don't like, a whole insult at me because we are already used to that. Anyways, I bet we go see what him make me feel a go redesign money. No be small matter be that too. Voila. Now they say that the immediate former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, awarded 61.5 billion naira for the printing of ill-fated new naira note to a United Kingdom company, De La Rue, in flagrant violation of President Muhammadu Buhari's directive that they should be given to a domestic firm. So, but now the Buhari, now him unveiled this money, so you know, ask them who printed it, where it was printed from. He just can't unveil the money like Mumu. Actually, this country, we still have stories to tell. Now, they said the report indicated that the board of Central Bank of Nigeria was not involved in the decision to redesign the new currency note, adding that the initiative was suggested to former CBN governor by Buhari's aide, Tunde Sabiu, during his visit to the presidential villa in September 2022. Worse still, Emefiele, according to the report, left behind a debt of over 30 billion naira incurred for the printing of the currency, as only 31.79 billion naira of the contract sum had been paid as at the time of leaving the office. Sahara reporters had reported that the president appointed a special investigator to probe the Apex Bank after the suspension of Emefiele as governor of the CBN on June 9, 2023. The former CBN governor was later arrested by the Department of State Services, DSS, after he was suspended by President Tinubu. However, the secret police later handed him over to the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. Subsequently, he was arraigned on six count bordering on alleged 1.6 billion naira procurement fraud on November 17th. However, the report of the special investigator submitted to President Tinubu on December 28, 2023 has exposed mismanagement, fraud, and arbitrariness in the management of the Apex Bank with trillions of naira in losses under Emefiele's leadership. Now, so they take do. Our money don't enter voice mail. Now Nigeria be that for you. Wait till una go do Emefiele now. She una go send them to judgment. Where they bring money where they don't stash inside UK. In fact, more update on this Emefiele money saga will come up on the next one. Stay tuned and don't go nowhere. Thank you.